Radona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today, you guys, what I want to show you is how to cut the front of my hair and the sides. I could try to do the back, but I'm just saying, I don't know how that would go. So anyway, I had to cancel my last appointment and I'm like 2.5 weeks overdue. So my hair is like, it is driving me nuts. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to cut the front and the sides. Anyway, so let me know if you have any questions, but we will get going. So up here on top, that's where I'm going to start, okay? And I'm going to take about, that much off, okay? I like to point cut. You guys know that. I'm going to come straight forward. So you can see it's about 1/4 to 1/2 inch what I'm taking. And by the way, I'm looking into a mirror. So if I turn a little different, that's why, okay? Because I need to like turn in the mirror to where I can see. Okay, so I just come back here. I am going to make sure, let me see. I hope you guys can see this way, okay? I'm going to just angle that down because I need that, because I'm not gonna just cut this top and have this long. So I'm at least gonna cut into that area. So yeah, I've done this a few times. It's different, I'm not gonna lie. It's different cutting your own hair. But when you're desperate, right? Okay, now I'm gonna take the side, you guys, and hold this out. You can see where I've cut right there. I'm just gonna take this, cut that. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully good. I'm gonna hold this out. Take that. Okay, now I'm kind of going 90 degree on this front, like this, okay? Okay, so I'll come and do this front here in a second. Now, this side right here, let's see. I'm gonna hold that. I hope you guys can see. I don't know, I can't, but I can't see because there's not a mirror. So anyway, I am going to hold it out like I did my other. I'll try to hold it to where you guys can see it. It's just hard with this one side. So okay, and then I'm gonna hold this straight out. Okay, so I've just kind of done this area, okay? So now I dry to the side. So what I'm going to do is, of course, these are kind of driving me nuts. So I'm gonna come up through, and you guys don't wanna like chop, okay? And you want shears that are not dull. You want a good shear, because if not, it's just gonna bend the hair and it'll be a pain. So, okay, I'm just gonna kind of cut in this area. I'm just kind of coming up in, if that makes sense. So up in like this, because I don't want everything the same length. Okay, right here. This side, same thing. I'm gonna do the same thing. Right through, well, actually I'm gonna finish this side, you guys, sorry. So I'm gonna come down here. Okay, I think that's good. I'll texture when I'm done. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do this, you guys. Maybe you guys can see it this way. Okay, can you see this right here? Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm gonna come through here. Same thing, I'm going to just come up in. On my haircut, I don't wanna go straight here and straight there. Does that make sense? Some cuts are good that way. I just like mine more piecey. So I like to come up in and take out the hair that way. Okay, now that should be good there, but it's long over my ear, which I don't love it extremely tight here because my ear pokes out. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that length off. Okay, and then I'm gonna come back this way because I don't want it short in front of my ear and not my back. So you can see how I grabbed from the back. Okay, then I'm just gonna chop into that. Now, texturizing shears. This is what can make a haircut, okay? You definitely need texture. Okay, now you're not gonna go down to the scalp. You're gonna come up about 1/2 inch and you're just gonna come through here and just texturize that, okay? I am going to texturize my back. A little bit through there, okay, because I don't want that bulky when everything else has movement. And I will go get another haircut and have you guys see the back of it cut, and then we can pretend I got a full haircut, right? No, it's just driving me nuts. Whose hair doesn't drive them nuts, especially when it's short, right? Okay, can you guys see that stand up? That's texture. That's what texture will help it do. Okay, you guys, that is my cut in the front and on the top. I just wanted you guys to know that. Now, after I dry it, if you want to, when it's dry, you guys, hair on the face. Anyway, you guys can see wherever else you need to cut. So anyway, I just want to get on and do this because I was cutting it because it was driving me nuts anyway, and I wanted you guys to see it. So anyway, I hope you guys have a phenomenal day. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for your support, and I will talk to you next time. Have a good day. See ya.